legend.
Now, I wish if I could see any of the wonderful stories of Arabian Nights.
Wow, what a desire. Arabian Nights are the favorite of one and all. Their lovely magical stories have immense hypnotizing effect. तो चलो फिर अरेबियन नाइट्स की कहानियों के पिटारे से तुम्हें अली बाबा की कहानी दिखाता हूँ.
Once upon a time, in an Arabian country, there lived a poor carpenter named Ali Baba with his wife. Ali Baba would go into the forest to cut wood and then sell these woods in town to earn his living. One day, while he was cutting wood, suddenly he heard a group of men coming towards him, and they did not look friendly.
Open Simpson!
Some of the thieves went inside, kept the bags, and soon they all left from there.
Oh my god! They must be thieves. I must also go and see. What is there inside the cave? What did he say to open?
Oh yes, I remember. Open Simpson!
Wow! Here it is so much of gold, diamond, silver, treasure chests. Let me take some of these. I am very excited to show this to my wife.
Ali Baba happily went from there towards his home.
Rubina, Rubina, where are you? Come fast. I have a surprise for you.
Yes, what is the matter?
From where did you find all these gold? Ali Baba explained to her all that had happened. That made her really happy.
Let's measure it.
But we do not have the measuring balance.
Let me go to your brother Qasim's house and get it.
Listen, Qasim is shrewd. He's rich, but a cruel man. He cannot see anyone's happiness. You may go, but don't tell him about the gold.
Okay, sure. Ali Baba's wife went excitedly to Qasim's house. Brother Qasim? Brother Qasim?
Yes?
May I have your measuring balance?
Measuring balance? You are so poor. Why do you need a measuring balance?
Actually, I need to measure some rice.
Okay, wait. Alina, get the measuring balance and some wax.
Here it is.
I really don't trust this lady. She's hiding something from us. Let us put some wax underneath the balance, so whatever they measure will stick here.
That's a good idea. Take it, but return it soon.
Sure. Thank you. I leave now. As they got the measuring balance, they excitedly measured their gold and silver.
That's great. It is quite a lot. Now we are rich. Let's keep it in a safe place.
Okay, in a meanwhile, I will return this to your brother. Brother Qasim, thank you for the measuring balance.
A gold coin? From where did they get this? I must find out.
Yes, I had a doubt. When she came, you immediately go and ask Ali Baba about this. And Qasim went to Ali Baba's house to know the secret.
Ali Baba? Ali Baba! Come out! I want to talk to you. I thought you were poor. But look what I found. A gold coin?
Shh, shh, shh. Don't shout here, Qasim. I will tell you everything.
Ali Baba told him everything, taking a promise so that he wouldn't tell anybody else about his secret.
If you don't tell me where this cave is, I will tell the thieves what you have done.
Okay, come with me. I will show you the way to the cave.
Ali Baba took Qasim to a nearby forest.
That's the cave. Now let's go back.
If you want to go from here, you may go. But I will go inside and take as much gold as I can.
Okay. I will wait for you outside. But please, brother, come soon.
Open Sim Sim.
Oh my god! Here is so much of jewels, gold, diamond, rubies, and fine clothes. I can't believe my eyes.
I will become the richest man of the city.
Let me fill all my bags with as much gold as I can.
Soon, the thieves came back to the cave.
Who is he?
Catch him right now. This was the thief stealing our gold. Who are you? Who told you the way to the cave?
I am Qasim. Please spare me. I will never come here again. My brother showed me the cave.
Oh, there's one more to be punished.
Kill him now.
We can look for his brother later.
Let's go.
The thieves went from there, and Ali Baba saw whatever happened. He got really scared. He straight away went to his house. He found his wife, Qasim's wife, and his maid waiting for him.
There's a bad news.
Please tell us, what is it? We are really worried.
The thieves caught Qasim and they killed him.
We cannot mourn, or the thieves will come to know that Qasim was from our house. We should not tell anyone about Qasim's death. Let us lead a normal life.
Slowly, in a few days, they forgot about Qasim and led a normal life. They became rich with all the gold that they stole.
Yalla habibi, yalla habibi. Nechun bugün ko'zlaring zabunli. Sonma jonim, men borman ku. Bo'lma azal tunlarga siri. Yalla habibi, yalla habibi. Nechun bugün hayoling hazonli. Sonma jonim, men borman ku. Bo'lma azal dardlarga siri. Osmondagi oyman, dengizdagi darman. Nasib etgan havasli muhabbating ilman. Hayajoning yasar, hayolingdan elar. Sarson bo'lma, haqiqiy vafodoring ilman. Aman aman yor, bo'lgin aman yor. Menga keraksan, sog' va baxtli holda. Aman aman yor, bo'lgin aman yor. Menga afzalsan, meni sevgin holda.
Listen, I want to buy all the gold jewelry for my wife. Don't worry about the money. I will give you as much as you want.
This man is spending lavishly.
This is the man who has become rich recently. Let us inform the leader.
The leader, disguised as an oil merchant, and his 40 thieves hid inside the big jars.
Is there anyone?
Who is there? Wait, I'm coming. Who are you? What do you want?
I am a merchant and I sell olive oil. I heard that you are the richest man here, so I thought you would like to buy it. I have 40 containers of oil.
Sure, if it is good, I will buy it. You please keep the containers inside. Let's bargain.
Bring the containers inside.
I'm really not convinced with the merchant's tale. I think there is something wrong. I must go and check the jars.
Let's be ready. Master can call us anytime.
Oh, I was right. They are the thieves. I must do something. Ma'am, there are thieves in those jars. We need to kill them.
Oh, what should we do?
I have a plan to get rid of them. Let's heat some oil and put in those jars.
Okay,
let's do it.
Together, they heated a lot of oil and started to put the hot oil one by one in all the jars.
Save me! I'm dying!
Oh, what is this noise?
Oh yes, what is it?
What's the matter?
Sir, do you know? Thieves were there inside those jars. We have killed all of them.
Oh, what have you done? They were my men. Oh, you are the leader. I will not spare you.
As they got rid of the thieves, they all led a happy and peaceful life forever.